What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and I have a great quote for you by Walt Disney. It says, "The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing." That's what I'm doing right now. Now today, I have an insane any card at any number card trick. But keep in mind, this is only going to be the performance, and I'll talk about the tutorial at the end. So, let's do it. All right, my man, are you ready? For what? I have the most perfect card trick for you. It's called any card at any location, and it is a magician's dream. It's gonna blow your socks off. Yeah, I'm not really wearing socks, so is that a problem? Okay, don't worry about that. Check this out. So I have a deck of cards here. I want you to just hold on to it for now. There you go. Okay, thank you. I got it. Now, as you're holding that deck, I want you to think of any card that comes to mind. Go fish. Okay, that's my God, that's just a game. Oh, you mean like card from a deck? Yes, I mean like one of the 52 cards in the deck. That's what you need to think of. Okay, two of spades then. Okay, so two of spades, and you're sure this time. Yep, sure as surely. Now I also want you to go ahead and select a number, and just to be more specific, a number between 1 and 52, 24.5. God, I hate you so much. An integer. Pick a whole number, an integer. 12 then. Okay, thank you. So the card you selected was the two of spades, and the number you selected was 12. Now I want you to do me a favor, just open up the flap of the tuck case that you're holding right there. Can do, boss man, check this out. Bam, opened it up just for you. And now I'm just gonna carefully pull the cards out. Yeah, man, it's all yours, here. All right, thank you very much. Now, okay, check this out. The number you selected was 12. So let's actually go ahead and count down to the 12th card, okay? Count with me. Are you ready for this? Ready for this, camera guy? Camera guy, you got this? Check this out. 1, count this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and you'll see the 12th card is actually a different color card, a different color back. Yo, that's crazy. Now here's the cool part, right? If we actually take a look, let me drop these cards here, right? I'll hold this right here. Take a look at the rest of the deck. No way.
All blue back.
No way.
All backs are blue. Damn, crazy.
Crazy. The number you selected, the number 12, was the only one that had a red back. Now, here's what gets even more wild. The card you selected was the two of spades. There it is.
Oh my
God.
Selected
card, the two of spades. Camera guy, you got this? Two of spades. Bam. Now, what's even cooler is the entire deck was actually the same card. They're all the same. All the faces of the cards are exactly the same. The two of spades, see, that's what people think the first time. People think it's all the same card, but if we actually go ahead and take a look at the faces, we'll see that they're all entirely blank. Look at that. Look at that. All blank faces. And the one card you selected was the only one with a face and a red back, the two of spades. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Now, just to give you some background on this effect, this trick is known as Perfidious ACAAN by Priyanshu Shrivastava, and he actually published this trick to Murphy's Magic. He was actually kind enough to share with me the tutorial for this effect, and I gotta say, there are a couple of things I learned. The first thing is it's definitely not an easy trick to perform. It will require a decent amount of practice, and you will need some skill with misdirection. So if you do not have these two things, if you for some reason don't like practicing and don't have misdirection skills, this will be a difficult trick to perform, but I can promise you each second of practice that you put into this trick will 100% be worth the reactions that you'll get out of it. All that being said, I'll put the link to his purchase down in the description below. Make sure you go check it out and support him if you can. And that's all I got for you today. Make sure to go check out some more videos on this channel. Peace out. Full disclosure, this is the second time I'm recording this. For some reason, the first time, just completely forgot the audio. Just no audio. So note to my future self, don't forget audio, and for everyone else watching, have audio in your videos. That's key. Okay, peace out.